Assalamualaikum children. I'm Miss Fazal. Children, how are you? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, here we have movable alphabets. So we will make the words and sentences with the help of them. Children, this is add, which you have already studied in junior class. Children, could you tell me which sound is this? Yes, very good. This is k. K. If we add in the beginning of add, it will make cat. K, add, cat. And children, which letter is this? This is N. N. And what is this? Which sound is this? Yes, this is V. V. If we add in the beginning of N, it will make van. V, N, van. Now children, try to read with me. A, K at cat, I and N, a, V and van. A cat in a van. Children, similarly, we try to read also this sentence. Now read with me. A, H at hat, O and on, a, at mad. A hat on a mat. A, and man, and in, a, v and van. A man in a van. Children, this is your phonic reader book. The name of your book is Phonic Reader 2. Phonic Reader 2. Now open your book. And open the page number 1. Children, we have already read this page. So you have to read this page by watching this video again and again. Children, read this page with a cat in a van. A cat in a van. A hat on a mat. A hat on a mat. Go. A man in a van. A man in a van. Thank you children. Take care and Allah Hafiz.